ठीक है. Let me know once screen is visible.
Yes, is visible.
Okay, you have to press Windows plus
Hmm.
R, then type
Hmm.
mstsc.
Okay.
It will show. Just hold on. Let me see
Hmm.
the address. You have to enter the details here for the server.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
provided.
Same details or whatever you showed to me that I need to
Yes,
enter
yes,
here.
correct. Where is
Okay.
the
Hmm.
80 214 3438. Okay,
Okay.
can show option
Hmm.
username and click on connect. Then it will
Okay.
populate to add the user details. Yeah,
Hmm.
here you have to provide the user details. TATS or log 38. Yes, for log 2 and password. Remember me. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then system will be logged in. Okay. So this is how you access the SAP. ठीक है. एकदम simple process.
Hmm.
Same username password you have to use. Okay. ठीक आहे मी हे एक्सटेंड करून देईल ते सांगितलंय. Okay.
Hmm. Correct.
So now, so
Okay.
this is how you access the system. ठीक है.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, so what we have seen last time. Mm,
You explain SAP methodology in that you explain the role and how what is the consent role, what is the support role,
हाँ ठीक
and
है. Now you
according
are
to that
clear
how
with.
business will run.
Correct, correct, correct. So now you are clear
Hmm.
with roles and responsibilities, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, ठीक है. So maybe I know you may be aware of this org structure, but again, we will create new one. Okay, as when we do the
Hmm.
implementation project, we will do the
Hmm.
same setup here also. Okay.
Yeah, it
So,
is required.
so for company code configuration,
Hmm.
it is
Hmm.
part of the FI consultant responsibility. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, but we'll do here.
Hmm.
Okay. And then
Okay.
land storage location, purchase group, purchase organization. This is consultant responsibility.
Yeah, okay.
Except this WH storage type, storage section, storage bin because this comes under WM EWM. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. I'll show you quickly the system. तुला काय सांगायचं अजून? I think system तुला माहिती आहे. You are already working in SAP. So this is a toolbar.
That is what basic. Yes, go to SPRO, then go to that logistic.
Toolbar. This
That.
is a correct,
Hmm.
correct.
Hmm.
हे access कसं करायचं हे with the transaction code
Hmm.
access असतं. Okay.
I,
So this is
hmm.
normal.
Hmm.
This I explained to
Hmm.
the one who are new to the SAP. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
New session open.
New
Uh,
session
there are
open.
options here. You can change the theme also. That
Yes, that I know.
that you are aware, right? Font setting you can
Hmm.
change. Okay, then
Hmm.
fine, great. Okay, so then we'll start. Okay. Okay, from the enterprise structure, can access this.
So, Samadhan, here first we'll create the project or directly will start the our activity.
Project we don't have to create specifically. Okay, it again depends.
Okay.
I mean, earlier in the ECC it was there. In S4 we don't have to
Mm-hmm.
create projects and all those things. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. In ECC there was, I mean, a lot of steps we had to do before to start the configuration. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
they changed a lot. Then it removed the negligible things. I mean the things which are not required really. Okay. They have
Mm-hmm.
removed in S4. You don't have to go and create the project. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So if this is from this enterprise structure definition. From here we define the enterprise structure elements. Okay. And whatever
Mm.
the assignment is there, we do here. This is for
Yeah, that's all correct.
all the modules. Yes.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Again, in S4, there
Mm.
is a best practice content SAP provided. Okay. Whenever
Okay.
customer means, let's say now we are into some service based organization. Okay. And we are going
Mm.
to implement SAP in some, like, you can name any company's name. Okay. XYZ company. Okay. Take an example where SAP is not there. So do you know any customer name of
Customer
yours?
name.
Customer means the business where SAP is not there. So we will now implement the SAP there. Okay. Do you have any
Use
name
Aldi
in
user.
mind? Huh?
Aldi user.
ID user.
Aldi ALDI.
A- ALDI. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Let's say what does this business do? All the business.
Basically, they are not using proper SAP.
No, no, no.
They
Business I
have
am
some
asking. Okay. Now I understood
business.
they are not into the SAP. Okay. Now we are going to
Mm-hmm.
implement SAP.
Mm.
But before
Mm.
implementing SAP, we need to understand their
Mm.
business. What that business is
Mm-hmm.
into, like production, manufacturing, service industry, pharmaceutical, chemical, food.
It is retail product. It is retail industry.
Okay, retail industry. Okay, so again, I'll tell you just to point to you.
Mm. Mm.
For retail industries, there is a separate product from the SAP, IS Retail.
Okay.
Okay, they have different
Mm-hmm.
configuration. They have different. I mean, most of the things are common. Okay. In,
Mm-hmm.
okay, this is a S4 is one product. Okay. In S4, there are
Mm-hmm.
different listed, you can call it variants or like that, sub products. Just like when we go in the market to buy the phone, right? So there are different, even though if you took Apple or Samsung, in Samsung there are different uh, range range of the mobiles. Range means like not range, you can call it as a different variants of that phone. Models, we call it as model,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like A51,
Okay.
A31, correct? So these models differ in their features, right? A31 comes
Oh.
with different features. Some battery uh, life is like 24 hours. So A51 is having 30 plus hours, like that. So another camera, like if it is having 12 MP, so then A51 might having 24 MP, right? So these are the features which are differ
Now I
in
got
these
it.
products. Okay, like this only
Mm-hmm.
in S4 also, in SAP also, not S4, in SAP. Whenever we buy whenever that customer or business buy the product
Mm-hmm.
from the SAP, okay,
Mm-hmm.
on the basis of recommendations provided by the uh, partner. Partner means the business, the organization which is going to help in implementation. Okay, they will recommend
Mm-hmm.
which product to buy for your business. Okay, and then business go to the SAP and then buy that, they buy that product.
Okay, now I got it why they are not using direct SAP because retail industry there is no direct option to create to perform the task in direct. So they are via third party, they are connected to S4HANA and they have
So,
some separate tools.
correct,
So
sir.
in that they will create the articles
Correct. Article. It is called as
and that
article in
and
retail.
article that article is retail and this article is connected to the link of SAP, and then the
That
data is directly synced to the S4HANA.
okay. So that is called as integration. Okay.
Integration.
Mm.
Okay, got that. So Fury Launchpad, they are using Fury Launchpad. In
Mm.
that Fury Launchpad, they have some US Launchpad. They have configured US Launchpad. In the US Launchpad, they have some different categories.
Okay.
Got it.
Mhm.
So they are using ABC Cockpit. If you
Well,
have.
like it depends, like which. So other than
Mm,
SAP, the
mm,
tools are
mm,
different everywhere.
mm, mm,
SAP is unique in the back end. Okay, in some in
mm,
these
mm,
such industries, retail industries, you can call. Okay, so as per business convenient. Okay, let's say you
mm,
can take any example in the market like Nika. Okay, that is also retail and they are into the fashion branding. So they have a lot
mm,
of digital platforms
mm,
to
mm,
attract the customers. Like if you want to buy something like from the Nika, like fashion or the clothes. Okay, you will go and directly
mm,
search in the website, and then you will if you like that product, you will put an order. Okay, like so
mm, mm,
this order is there, like you can call it as a revenue. Okay, so this order may be coming from, like if you have put the order on from the Amazon. Okay, so now from the Amazon it reflects into the SAP as a customer order, a sales order. Okay,
Okay, got it. Mm,
and then from there that process starts. They will go into the system if that product is available. If not, then where that product is available into nearby warehouses. Okay, and then
mm, mm,
they will do the goods issue or delivery and goods issue from that warehouse nearby to your location. Okay, and they will dispatch that product and you will get the acknowledgement that your order is received and will be delivered on that time, that day. Okay, and then tracking will be
okay.
happen outside SAP, that front end tool whichever they are using. They will send you that
Mm,
updates, and even Amazon has that capacity, right? So where your product is, that they can track, you can track. So
okay.
so that's how this business would work. Okay, but in the SAP, actually they got the revenue generated from your order, right? So it comes on part as a part
Mm,
of the sales order,
mm,
and then invoice
correct.
will be posted, and that invoice will be, now one copy of that invoice will be no stick on your that product which you buy. Okay, the
Correct.
physical package.
Mm,
So that is the invoice,
mm,
billing
okay.
invoice.
Mm,
Okay, so that's how revenue gets generated of the business. Okay, and but even though they are working into the SAP, you didn't directly link to the SAP. Okay, so this is
mm,
done through
mm,
the interface. It's called as
mm,
interfaces. Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. So, so on the basis of that, the products is bought by the customer as per their like
Mm,
a requirement. And what is that requirement?
mm,
This implementation partner will suggest like these many modules will be required for you as per the scope. There is a pre-sale
okay.
activity. Okay, before
Mm,
implementation there is a pre-sale activity. Okay, so
mm,
what is pre-sale activity? Pre-sale activity means so let's say I am working in Deloitte now. Okay, I'm just giving example. Okay, I'm not a part of the Deloitte now. So I'm
okay.
working in Deloitte. So there is a pre-sale activity means like Deloitte, there is KPMG, EY, PwC, IBM, TCS, Infosys. Okay, these are the implementation partners of the SAP. Okay,
Okay. Mm,
okay, and what is the implementation partner? They will help the businesses to implement the SAP or transform their business from the non-SAP or other ERP to the SAP ERP.
mm,
Okay, now so
okay.
let's say I'm taking just an example of this, so which we call as Nika. Okay, so since it is a retail one
Mm,
you just made, so here now that Nika business did an inquiry for the SAP implementation. Okay, so now this inquiries flows to these many organization companies in the market: TCS, Infosys, IBM, Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, EY. So pre-sale teams from these companies will prepare one documentation on this Nika business. Okay, they will
Okay.
understand. They will come and first understand business heads up. Okay, how that business work. Then they will go. Then they will prepare like what are the applicable modules, which model is uh, suits best for them to buy and to run their business smoothly without any interruption issues. All those things. Okay, and then they will come and as per the dates schedule time, all those they will have that communication. Then they will give the demo to the Nika business stakeholders. Okay, and after that, then Nika business stakeholders will decide to whom to go with, to which business organization to go with for the implementation. Okay, let's say out of all these companies, IBM company has given the best demo. They liked it, and I mean, that features also they are giving support, and my costing is also less for the implementation. Okay, they will check all these things, quality and how their previous customer satisfaction feedback survey. Okay, and then they will decide to go with IBM. Okay, now IBM team. So now IBM got that project. That's how it is. Contract is signed up later. Okay, and then IBM got that project for the implementation. Okay, which product
Got it.
that got Nika business will buy, all those things will be happen before this only, before this contract. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
during this contract, I mean
Mm-hmm.
in discussions, and then that, so there are separate teams now. Pre-sale team has done their best work to get that project, and now that project is passed to the delivery team. There is a separate delivery team.
Okay.
Okay, delivery team, delivery manager is separate. Okay, now that delivery manager is assigned to that project, and now he will maybe, if the team is not there, okay, he may be new to that of IBM organization, so he will now get the resources available from the IBM itself. If not, then they will hire new resources for that project.
Mm. Okay.
That's how this hiring resources in the market for SAP is done. Okay, and then they will made one team for the all the modules. Okay, as per the requirement. Maybe initially one or two consultants from each module will be there. Okay, initial. Later on, as per the scope, if increase, they will add on more consultants to the team. Okay, and
Mm.
now they will
Okay.
do the kickoff meeting, the one I explained you the last session. Like that's how this method
Mm.
project start. Okay, all these things happen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
now clear your how what things are
Yes.
before this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now coming to directly to the development phase now. Okay, so here
Mm-hmm.
before coming to this step, before coming to this step, we have KDS structure ready from the business. I
Okay.
will show you. Just hold on. Hmm. Where is that? Okay, this step, third step in the methodology, project plan.
Development.
Okay, all these things will happen,
Okay.
like discussion, business
Mm.
blueprint, sign off, and KDS will be ready. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
consultant has to do the
What is the
development.
meaning of videos?
KDS, na?
Mm.
Key data structure.
Okay. Key district. Okay. Key data structure.
Hmm. Okay, now consultant will start the development. Yeah,
Mm.
and here we are now.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
okay. So now FI consultant will first do the setup for the company structure, whatever they have prepared.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For whatever we did, define company, everything. For that also TR will generate.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, now we
And the
are into
same
the
tier will go to the basic tier, basis consultant. He will release. after
No, no,
testing, right?
functional has to release.
Hmm.
Okay, basis will not
Okay,
release.
okay,
Basis work is to only transfer.
okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Clear enough. Now this is only into the
Yes.
SAP stuff. Okay, we have all data
Mm-hmm.
ready.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now we are just going into the system to copy paste that data into the this configuration. Not all the
They will
copy
provide
paste.
their organization data. Yeah, they
Uh,
will provide their organization detail. Based on
correct,
that, we will create the structure.
correct, exactly. So now here also, like I mean, these basic things are we have to SAP will provide you one as per the product. Okay, so one set of
Mm,
the best practice content, which is working
mm,
fine as with all the integrations already in place. Okay, we don't have to go and do
okay.
all this. Okay, so that is called as some simple company called like okay. So I'll just give you an example for India. Those are for country wise. Okay, again, best practices provided by the
Mm,
SAP are country
mm,
wise. For India, the
mm,
code is 1810.
okay.
That is a standard from SAP. Okay, for
Mm,
US, it is a 1710. Okay,
okay.
so okay, so I'll give you one again. So this is a demo system.
Mm, mm,
The students or consultant who are practicing, they might have deleted, they might have renamed it. Okay, but in standard,
mm,
when SAP gives 1710 is for US country,
mm,
1810 is for India country.
okay.
If you are implementing in India, you will get
Mm,
1810 best content, best practice content. Okay, like that,
okay.
like that per country wise SAP has that best practice content ready. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Earlier it was 1000.
I know that.
Okay. Now
Mm,
in SAP it is changed it. Okay. ठीक है. So I'm not sure is there any standard one available.
mm,
I don't see. Okay. I'll try to create
okay.
one new entries only. Here we don't have much things to do. Okay. So tell me the any business name. I will do the implementation for that.
You can take
Which one you just made some time back? R1, ALDI.
RD, ALD.
Aldikai Limited, Private Limited. What is this?
Retail, just mention retail business.
Aldi, okay, Private Limited. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm,
Okay. So now this nomenclature also uh, consultant suggest to the business like we can go with this, and then businesses give
mm,
their consent. Okay, that is fine. Okay, maybe it is all
mm,
the coding 1001, 2000, 5000, whatever it is starting with.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
even though we can have this combination of alphanumeric like
yeah.
this. Sorry.
Mm,
Okay, like this also. Okay, but I am giving just 1000 here. Country India, I'm just giving street address. Just I am adding as a dummy. Any you can add, which is provided in the KDS. Okay,
mm,
in India, this is a format of 6-digit PIN code. Okay, SAP has
yeah.
validations. Okay,
Mm,
not here, but during the data upload, you will get those validations added. Per country wise, there is a
mm,
separate format for this. Okay. Okay. As soon as I click on Control plus yes, it will prompt for the
mm,
TR. Okay, these are the existing
okay.
TRs. Okay, we can
Mm,
create our own TR from here. Okay, so there is again a format everywhere. It given to the TR description name. Okay, what it
mm,
should be. Okay, so then generally it is with starting with module name first, and then you can do the whatever the configuration you are doing. Okay.
mm,
Organization setup.
Yes, there for your understanding.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So this is username. Okay. And this is username, create new status. These are the system will populate all those things. So there is option to, if you are creating in under any project, then you can add it here.
In the
Okay.
project name.
Correct. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But we, as a functional consultant, when we don't do that project creation activity. Okay. There is a separate project model,
Mm-hmm.
project consultant, and all those things. They will set up and then they will give us all those details, and we just add it here. That's it. How project is. Yeah. Let me see just to show you. Okay, there is no value found. Okay, clear.
Okay.
Okay, and click on continue. The new TR will get generated. If you click on
Mm,
continue, it will save under this TR.
okay.
Okay, then so this is first company uh, created 1,000. I'll just get it copy. Okay, let me open Excel file. I'll show you how KDS is also prepared. Okay, so let's say
Mm,
F5 model I'm just giving here. Okay, and then they
okay.
will give here a company code. Okay,
Mm,
credit control area, from whatever the information from finance they will add like here. Okay,
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
then FM area, fund manage, if fund management is activated, then that all the finance related information they will list here, and what should be its a code like that. Then it's a description.
Okay.
Okay, that's how it is then, and it's a complete address they will show here.
Mm,
Okay, clear.
here.
We'll just save it here somewhere.
Now, what is the difference between company and company code?
I'll tell you. Hold on. To download. Okay, so you are aware of the structure, right? So at the top level
Mm,
we have company, which is also called as a
mm,
client. Okay, that
mm-hmm.
company can have multiple line of businesses.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, Nike, uh, I don't know what type of business they have. Maybe you can take any other example.
You can take Reliance as well. Reliance have multiple line of
Reliance,
business.
correct. Okay, so Reliance is having multiple line of business under that. So Reliance, it will be created here as a Reliance Industries directly.
Mm-hmm.
Reliance Industries. ठीक है, spelling चुक लौट हाँ ठीक है. Now Reliance Industries is having multiple line of business. Again, discussion will be there. How we are going to set up their business? Whether we are going to create a separate company code as per the line of business. Yes. Why yes? Because if they want to have separate profit balance statement for separate line of
Mm-hmm.
business, then only they will go with a separate company code. Okay. If
Okay.
not, if not, then they will not create. Okay. They will create
Mm-hmm.
some division at sales level only to distribute their products to the customer and to track the revenue from their customer. On that division basis also they can set up their line of business. Okay, and maybe they will create only one
Mm,
company code. Okay, this depends
okay.
on the management. I mean how their current business is set up. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
they were having that separate profit balance statement, loss statement for the each line of business. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then they will go with the separate company code creation.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just giving heads up since we know each other. So in Tata, part as a part of Tata. So in Tata Motors, there were two businesses, commercial and passenger. Okay, CV and PV.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now earlier it was not separate. It was under the same structure. Okay. Now they separated. They have created two company codes. Okay.
Okay.
That's how it is. Company code and company business. Okay, clear? Difference between this.
Clear.
Company code is where you want to have the separate profit loss balance statement.
Mm-hmm.
The, that separate entity is called as company code. Okay. Mm, all the private. Okay. So now company setup is done. It is also called as trading partner. So trading partners means why it is trading partners. So in the business is
Mm-hmm.
itself a trading business. Okay, just
Mm-hmm.
buy and sell. So we buy some product and we do some operations on that, or maybe we can sell that directly to the customer. Okay, so
Okay.
that level, that customer will always know that it's a Aldi business. We are a client of Aldi. Okay, but maybe in that Aldi they have separate line of business. However, they have set up in the system. They don't care. Okay, customer or client will not don't care about that or how you set up your business. They will just know that yes, Aldi is my business, my customer or my supplier or my client. Okay, that's how it is recognized. That's why it's also called as a trading partner. Okay, credit control area also I'll set up quickly. So I'll get it copy from here. Thousand is already there. Okay, but it is having USD currency. Let me see. Hmm. I'll copy from here 2001. Okay, I have created credit control area also. Now I'll go for the company code. From here you can copy the company code. Let me see what are that. Mm, Okay, thousand is already there. Say this is 1710 is activated for US.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But
You said the standard 1018, right?
for India it is a 1810. I see. I don't see that
Uh,
1810 is there. So
but here 1710 we are taking, and all the configuration, if you copied that details, will again copy to current company code,
correct, correct.
right?
Yes,
But here you are using 1710.
as a reference only, na. I'm not taking
Mm-hmm.
anything from that. It has
Mm-hmm.
a lot of
So
here.
live also we are doing same. So we
Yes,
will use
yes,
standard and
yes,
that.
yes, yes.
Okay.
SAP itself recommend to copy the content from the existing one. That's why they give this reference setup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In the implementation also we
Mm-hmm.
do the copy from the reference only. Now thousand is
Mm-hmm.
already there. Okay. So I am
Mm-hmm.
taking some other one, 1100, maybe not sure.
But wait, wait,
It
wait, wait. Two
also
company code
gather
means is our company code or a different will create again?
two
Because look,
company code means
we
we
have.
are going to create na new one.
Mm-hmm.
From company code is I am just
So,
giving the reference. Okay. To
okay.
company code
Mm-hmm.
is I am going to create new one.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just checking for the code which is not
Initially,
available.
we create the company that is Aldi, and now we are going to use the business lineup as any other another company code, right?
We are just setting up the structure. Y-
Mm-hmm.
You are aware of the structure, right? How it is.
Mm-hmm.
Let me. Okay, below control area, we have.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put it in other way. Okay. One company can have multiple company codes. Okay.
That I
One.
got it.
That's what I'm just going to do.
Company,
One company code can have
company
multiple plant.
level plants. Under multiple plants, we have multiple storage location warehouses
E-
also.
Exactly correct. So that's what I'm going
Mm-hmm.
to set up now. This one I did. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm going. I'm doing this one company code setup. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just
For
get.
sales or SD people, they will call business area, right?
They will do their setup. There is sales organization,
Mm,
distribution channel,
mm,
division,
mm,
and basis that we will derive the